Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can set up a fingerprint to unlock your Huawei Nova 11 Pro. For that, you want to go to your settings and go to biometrics and password and say fingerprint ID. And first of all, we have to put in our PIN to verify that it's us. And now we can say what we want our fingerprint, to do. Unlock device, access safe, access app lock, autofill usernames and password, or we say just new fingerprint. Press firmly on the fingerprint sensor zone. Your fingerprint may be less secure than a strong PIN or pattern. Fingerprint data will be encrypted and stored only on your device. Add fingerprint. Note the accuracy of the fingerprint sensor may be affected if you're using a third-party screen protector. For best results, use an official Huawei screen protector. Alright, and now we will put our finger on the sensor here, and you can see what part of our finger we need to put on. So that the thing gets our whole finger. Enrollment successful, fingerprint 1 added. Alright, no face recognition, and now if you click on it we can rename it or delete it. And we will go ahead, lock our phone, and now we want to unlock it again. Put our finger here, and now we're back in the phone. So that's how easy it is. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. So thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.